Okay, grade 5, let's talk about the work of SST, and that is chapter number 5, natural resources. Right? Natural resources. Before doing the exercise or before reading this, you have to finish this one first of all. What are the following things made from? Pencil is made from which thing? And cheese is made from which thing? So let's talk about natural resources. You are going to know about the renewable and non-renewable resources, uses of natural resources, and how to conserve it. That means how we can save natural resources. First of all, let you know about the meaning of natural resources. Natural, it is understood that the things which we are getting from the nature. Two type of natural resources are there: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources which are coming in plenty of amount, and they are not going to be less, or they are not going to be finished if we are using it again and again. Non-renewable resources are those resources which are limited in quantity and it can't be used forever, like fossil fuels, coal, petroleum, natural gas. They are not available here in big quantity, so we have to use them very carefully. What are fossil fuels? Fossil fuels, those fuels which are made from the dead plants and dead animals that gone under deep inside the earth, and it took millions of years to form out. So these are the uses of natural resources. How we can use the natural resources? Some natural resources we are using directly, like sunlight. We are using it directly, but some of the natural resources are there which we are using directly also. But along with that, if we are using water directly, we are using water to produce another resource also. As this is the example of water for using another source, that is, we are making the electricity, hydroelectricity. So what we can say here is that natural resources are used directly also, and they are used to produce another resource also. For example, coal can be used for running the trains, but it also used for housework also, right? So these are the uses of the natural resources. And here electricity can be produced with the help of water also, and we can use solar energy also to produce the electricity at home. Solar panels, you have already seen, on some of the people are using these kind of panels on their roofs to produce the electricity. And along with that, we are having this kind of production of electricity also, and this is called wind turbines. Then how we have to save the natural resources? Because day by day we are using natural resources in big quantity. As we know that natural resources are not here for our daily use in a big quantity. It's not present here in a big quantity, because if we are not going to use it properly, they are going to be finished, and in future we will not be able to use these natural resources. So these are the some ways how we can save these natural resources: using separate bins, not leave the tap running, not cut the trees. Alternative resources we have to find out. Use public means of transport. Here, what is the meaning of public transport? That means if we are using public means of transport, we are saving diesel or petrol, because when we are running to the work, we are taking our own vehicles for going somewhere. We should use CNG rather than diesel or petrol. We should grow more and more trees to prevent the soil erosion, and we should stop poaching and hunting also. Poaching means when we want to kill the animals. Here also you can see illegal hunting of animals. Right? This is a chapter about natural resources. So if we are talking about the exercise, part A is about you have to define these things under renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Which are renewable means coming in big quantity and they will stay here if we are using them again and again. Which are in less quantity and will not be used forever. Then tick the right one, B part, which you have to do by yourself as I read the chapter. Dash is a non-renewable. Solar energy, a sun, petroleum or wind. Electricity can be generated using this. How we can make electricity? With the help of wind, plant, rocks or soil. Dash is a renewable resources, which is renewable. Coal, petroleum, natural gas or sun. Dash is the example of fossil fuels. Which is the example of fossil fuels here? Fossil fuels that are made by taking hundreds of years. And last one, natural resources which take millions of years to form are called. Which took millions of years to form out of this. Then question answers. What are natural resources? For this you can go in the starting of the lesson. Here you can find out that which are natural resources and which are the example of natural resources. Those resources which we are getting from nature. Now question number 2, what is the difference between renewable and non-renewable resources? For this also you have to go again on page number 24 and here you can find out that this is the definition of renewable resources and this is the definition of non-renewable resources. So from here you can start writing the meaning of this and till again and again you can finish it, because this is telling you that these are in plenty of amount and it do not reduce. So you will start from here and you will end up here again and again. Then next is non-renewable resources, that you will start from here, number 2 point is here and you will write down till used forever. Right? This is the answer of 2. Then question number 3, how can natural resources be conserved? List any 3 ways. How we can conserve, how we can save natural resources. So for this you have to move page number 26, conservation of natural resources. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points are given and as per your convenience, as per your way, you can write down any 3 from here. Right? Next is question number 5. What effects do human activities, question number 4, what are fossil fuels? Give 2 examples. Now what are fossil fuels? For this you can find out easily here in this blue box. They have given you the meaning of what are fossil fuels. So what are the example of this? You can find out the example of fossil fuels, coal, petroleum and natural gas. This is the meaning and here are the examples. Last question is about you, how you can do it. What does or what effects do human activities have on natural resources? What kind of effects we are giving on natural resources? So we are using in extra way. We are not taking care of the natural resources. If we are not going to take care of natural resources, then it will be finished as soon as possible, because we know that natural resources are not here on earth in a large quantity. So we should use natural resources properly in a very proper way. Along with that, we should not waste them also. We should plant more and more trees to save earth and natural resources also. This is lesson number 5, natural resources. Thank you.